So, first kit I'm going to show you is, this one is really popular, okay? Very, very popular. All right, so the first kit is kit number 58. Kit 58, it is on a ring board. So you do get the ring board in this. And this one is Woof You a Merry Christmas. So this is our dog Christmas kit. So you get the dog bone sign. Hi, Creed! You get the dog bone sign that says, "We woof you a Merry Christmas." And then you get, look how fabulous this is. You get the 2.5 inch with drift edging. Awesome, huh? So you get the whole roll of this. You get black shimmer glitter ribbon. So you get the 2.5 inch of this. You get the shimmer glitter. This is the ribbon with glitter on it that the glitter does not come off. You will not have glitter all over the place. Okay? You'll also get, these are awesome, 3 of the ball tubing picks that I love. So you get 3 of them. You get a roll of white snowdrift mesh. And you get 100 pack of pipe cleaners. They were out of the 40 pack, so they gave me the 100 pack for almost the same price. So you get 100 of these, and of course your measuring tape, your glue dots, and your card to take you to all the tutorials on our YouTube channel. So, pipe cleaners, 3 tubes and picks. Aren't they cute? And there's snowdrift, black and white. They're gonna match everything so perfectly. Try to do this all at once. Isn't it great? Whew. You get 3 of those, and then your ring board. So that one is gonna be fun. I have, every year I do that kit, and I just change it up a little bit every year. So that is going to be on the website tomorrow, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you love this kit, grab one. I know it's Christmas, and you know, it's only August, but if you love it, you need to grab it because it'll be gone. All right, and then the next one, this one's really pretty. This is a new one for this year. Hi, Jeannie. Hi, Tina. Yes, these are August kits, so they'll be on, these 2 kits will be on tomorrow on the website at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, so this is a rail kit, and I want to show you this sign. Look how pretty. Oh, it's going to be backwards again. This is going to be a pink and gold winter kit. So, it says warm winter wishes, and it's got owls on it with pink poinsettias and everything. Isn't that a pretty sign? It is a 12-inch sign. It will go on the rail. You get, we need to stop, 25-yard roll of tulle, white tulle. Look at these ribbons though. I know, isn't it gorgeous? But look at what I paired with them. So this is like a cream with gold and a little bit of silver, like leopard. And then this is a pink with gold and cream. I think it's called irregular dots. They're both 1.5 inch. Isn't that beautiful? But hold on, there's more. Look at this beauty that you get in there. This is so pretty. These are plastic. I fell in love with them last year when I saw them, and I had to put a pink kit together. 1, 2. So you get, look how pretty they are. So these are actually plastic, and they got glitter all over them. They are so pretty. Look how pretty. And then where's our ribbon? So this is a pink and gold winter kit on the rail. So you get your rail board. You do get your rail board. You get 100 pack of zip ties. You get pipe cleaners to make your bows. And you get wire nippers. You get E6000 glue to glue your 12-inch sign. So you get E6000 glue, and you get your measuring tape and glue dots and your card to take you to the tutorial. So everything, you just need scissors. So we've done a kit very, very similar to this last year. There's quite a few if you go under the rail. So you kind of glue the 12-inch. I'll probably decorate the bottom since there's words up at the top. But there's so many ways. A lot of people are putting the rail board and decorating the side, right, with the sign straight up and down. You can do it where you decorate the top, but if you decorate the top, it may go over the words. So that is why I'm going to put my rail, the bottom of it, on the bottom. And oh my gosh, my hand is. And then we're going to decorate all of it with this beautiness.
I would put it at 5 o'clock.
Huh?
I'd put it at 5 o'clock.
You would put it at 5 o'clock?
4:30.
4:30?
7.
Thanks for the input, honey. Great,
Try it.
appreciate it.
Try it.
At 5, my hand is, look at my thumb.
No.
Wait, I can't straighten my thumb out. It's cramped over.
Oh, do you need a hand?
Ah, there we
You
go.
can do it!
No, I got it. It's mobile again. It will move. 5 o'clock.
4:30. There you go.
So you would do it like right there?
No, that'd be 8 o'clock.
Oh, you guys are stupid.
How do you tell time?
And Mitchell and Danielle are here. Anyways, very, very pretty kit. I get just like I said for the other one. We have a few hundred of these. Once they're gone, they're gone. Yeah, they'll put a reminder on your phone, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.